shofar in the holy mountain. Let all the inhabitants on earth tremble. This is the day King Yahawah reigns forevermore. Blow the shofar, YAHRASHALITEs. Sound the shofar in the holy mountain. Let all the inhabitants on earth tremble. Sound the shofar, calls your attention. This is the day King Yahawah reigns forevermore. Yahawah is the King of all, the whole universe. Yahawah is almighty above all, and there's no one else. King of all, of the whole universe. Yahawah is almighty above all, and there's no one